Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you where you can find a picture-in-picture function or feature in the Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So let us get started. Alright guys, so you may use the picture-in-picture feature, for instance, if you'd like to put one video clip here in the bottom right corner and another one in the background, or use it as a picture-in-picture feature. This is how you can find it. What you need to do, guys, is navigate to your video project on Clipchamp. Insert your video clips from the My Media library here to your timeline. And next, what you want to do is right click into the frame here and hover mouse over picture in picture and choose the position of the selected video clip, for example, in the bottom right. And that is going to move it here into that area. Now, you can resize this video as well by using these corners, or rotate the video clip here and position it anywhere you like. So let me undo this. And that's how you enable the picture-in-picture mode on Microsoft Clipchamp. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.